So what's going on, everybody? In this video, we're going to talk about how I went from world-class web developer to beatboxer overnight. I'm just kidding. I'm going to be talking about the usual stuff, so stay tuned.
Maybe I don't understand it. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage.
Alright, so what's going on, everybody? I'm not going to ask you to like or subscribe or share the video at all until we get to the very end, because I think that you're going to like a lot of the information that I send you guys in this one, and I'm going to be talking a little bit fast just because I want to get through this video as quick as possible. I'm excited to start on the next portion of what's going to be a nice little series. Before I get into that, I wanted to talk about my current situation as far as the job hunting, because a lot of people have been asking me. So I haven't landed a job yet. I am talking to a few companies, a few CEOs, and setting up meetings and all that stuff. So still going through the whole process, learning a lot of things about cover letters, about resumes in general, and basically everybody has a different opinion of what makes a good cover letter and a good resume. And so making my way through that, also doing code challenges, creating projects, and trying to add a little bit more content to this YouTube channel in a presentable manner. You know, I like to give back and I like to teach, and so some of my videos that I'm going to be uploading are going to be more a little bit longer than most general videos, such as if you saw my to-do list was pretty much 2 hours long, which is a little bit long for a to-do list, and I will agree to that as well. But because it's a basic React class, I don't just want to shove a to-do list in your face and not really take the time to explain things. And so I want to explain as much as I can to include why we're installing certain packages, what certain files mean, and I'm treating it like this is the first time that you may have looked at React and anything else that I teach. I'd like to be able to go into the details of the concepts, not just the syntax. So with that said, planning on putting together a prep course, and just about anybody can use this, but I'm going to gear this more towards Lambda school students based on what I know that they're going to be expected to start learning during their first like month, 2 month, 3 month time span. And so I noticed that a lot of the students that are coming in are always curious and like very like energetic, and they want to start doing something right away, but their class doesn't start for about a month or 2 or 3, and because of that they don't really know where to go. So I end up going into Slack and putting down this big paragraph of stuff that's very hard to track, just like, you know, telling them do this, do more of this, do more of that, but that's not really that helpful as much as I would like it to be. It's good details and all that, like it's I think it's a solid lead where you could start. However, I'm not giving them any actual resources where they can go to that, and the internet is huge. There's so much stuff out there. And so I want to make this little prep course kind of as a, okay, you did the Dev 101 bootcamp, congratulations, you got accepted, your cohort start on such and such date. Now, while you're waiting, you can take a look at these videos and get some more training on how to use the Get workflow that Lambda is going to be using. You can get some training on HTML semantics, CSS with pre-processing with less. You can get a little bit of training on DOM manipulation, basic JavaScript, higher order functions, building class components, building functional components, prototypical inheritance, things like that. So things that you're going to be learning and possibly even struggling through, I might be able to explain so that when you get to that portion of the school, you're feeling a lot more confident and more comfortable, and you can say, hey, I may not really have understood the video, or may not really know it fully, but now that I've gotten that exposure and I'm hearing it again at Lambda school, I'm a lot more confident and I'm getting it a lot better. So with that said, I believe the first video that I'm planning on making is going to be more of a resources video. So it's going to be addressing great websites that you should be going to. Some of them you'll probably go to like a million times, but may not know about them yet. I'm really excited to start this off. I got a lot of people who immediately hopped in, and I wasn't expecting to have that sort of backing from current students and alumni, even students who haven't started yet who are waiting. They've given me some great suggestions, and if you have any suggestions, feel free to put them in the comments or go into the description and just click on my link, or not my LinkedIn, but my Twitter, and don't click on that link. I got too many people in there already and none of them talk to me. Go ahead and follow me on Twitter and just send me either a DM or just tag me on something and let me know what your suggestion is. If you do enjoy the stuff that I'm putting out, feel free to like and share the video. It helps me and the channel out. and I will see you all next time.